Hi guys, my name's Dr. Ahmed. I'm one of the course tutors here at WH Medical. Now, one of the most common questions we get asked is around top tips to help with passing the PLAB 2 OSCE exam. Now, what we've done is come together and bring you 10 top tips on how best to pass the PLAB 2 examination. So the first is communication. So this is a key skill without which it's near impossible to pass the PLAB 2 examination. Now, here at WH Medical, we will teach you exactly how to construct this consultation, an UK-based consultation, and once you get the hang of this, we'll teach you how to apply this to difficult scenarios, such as, for example, an angry patient, an upset patient. How would you break bad news? How would you know how to deal with ethical scenarios? Now, what we'll do is we'll also help you frame the consultation within UK legal and ethical guidelines. Number 2, know your medicine. So we all know that medicine is practiced differently across different parts of the world. But one of the key factors is understanding the common UK conditions. What conditions are common within the UK, and do you know about them? Do you understand them? And do you know how to manage them? Number 3 is practice, and practice. This is key to doing well on the PLAB 2 OSCE exam. One of the things you can do is practice on the wards, you can practice wherever you may be, but also get together in groups of friends where one of you can play the examiner, one of you can play the candidate, and one of you can play the actor. And rotate around so you understand exactly where each person is coming from. And sometimes it helps if you video yourself so you know where you're going wrong and which bits you're doing well. Number 4 is make sure that you be yourself. Next time you're out on the wards or you're seeing patients in the emergency department or in a community clinical setting, try and adopt a UK-based clinical consultation style. Once you do this, it'll become second nature to you, and try and develop these stock phrases so when it comes to the actual exam, you'll be applying a consultation that is second nature to you. And that's key. That's really important that you do that early on.
Hi guys, my name is Dr. Butt and I am one of the course tutors here at WH Medical as well. I'm going to be talking to you about the day of the exam itself. So top tip number 5 is know how and when you will get to the exam centre. If you're travelling from further afield, consider booking a hotel room close to the exam centre. Top tip number 6, arrive at the exam early. Aim to arrive at the exam centre about half an hour before the start of your exam. Make sure you're well hydrated and you've had something to eat, as this is a long exam and you will need to concentrate throughout. Top tip number 7, make sure you have the required identification documents with you. This will either be your passport, a UK driving licence, or any EU ID card. If you have refugee status, you may also provide your refugee biometric residence permit. Also ensure you bring along your GMC reference number, which will be on your booking confirmation letter. Top tip number 8, make sure you're relaxed during the exam. Ensure you listen to all the instructions given to you by GMC staff. At this point, if you have attended one of our courses, at this point the WH Medical Training course will kick in and you'll start to feel confident about passing any station you are posed with. Top tip number 9, read the question. You're given a minute and a half to read the question. Make sure you read it and read it again. Start to work out what it is the examiners are trying to assess. Start to work out the flow of your consultation and the direction this is probably going to go in. For example, if this is a sick patient, start thinking A, B, C, D, E, airways, breathing, circulation, disability, exposure. Start to formulate your plan and how this consultation is going to progress. So there you have it, top 10 tips for passing the PLAB exam. This is a quick summary of the broader topic covered over the course of our 12-day Pass PLAB course. Good luck. If you've been to one of our courses, we have absolute faith that you will do very well and excel in this exam. All the best for the future.